Ayo, 3, 2, 1, hey, what is up everybody out there? It's your boy Jarrett, youtube.com/JARRETTMoses, and today I'm going to be showing y'all the xxxtentacion limited edition 17 hoodie and t-shirt I picked up from the shop, xxxtentacion.com. It's a little unboxing video. I don't really do this, but if y'all want me to, I'll probably do a video of clothes I have that you probably don't, from different clothing brands that I picked up from. But let's get right into it. Alright y'all, so it came in this. And here there's nothing. It just came in this, regular looking wrapper. I'm gonna open it up. It came with the digital album, so I own every single song now. Let me open up the t-shirt first, because I know the hoodie's probably more interesting. Ooh. So this is like a memorial t-shirt, kind of, from the 17 era of X. So, ooh, this actually feels really good. Here we go. The back says, "There's no end. There's no end to the pain. You must be numb." And then it's picture of X. It's tough. It's I really think it's cool. It's tough. It's medium, and then the tag says XXX. It was delayed because of the hurricane. Pray for everybody who was affected by the hurricane. And here is the hoodie. 17. And yes, it's supposed to be backwards. It's the way he has a tattoo. And the back says the same thing. There must be no end to this pain. There's no end to this pain. You must be numb. But then the sleeves say, "You are not alone." And yeah, it's really tough. This is something I would actually wear, out. That's what I was most excited about. Of course, it says XXX. I think the tag does too. Yeah, you can see it. XXX. Yeah, time to try these on. So let's go. Alright, y'all. So yes, I shaved. Don't bet on me. I don't even know what video this is gonna go in, but I just wanted to make this really quick. So Jordan, the YouTuber who I look up to, he made a clothing brand. You guys, I'll leave a link in the description below. It's called Ugly Supply. I messed with the clothing brand really heavy. I feel like it's gonna go really big, and I just wanted to make this video real quick because I bought something from him and I'm gonna be unboxing it right now. I just came home from the doctor's and I found this. Ugly Supply. So first off, I'm gonna have to censor that, but it came in that, and let's open it right now. I think it's one of the Timmy shirts. That's what I ordered. I think that's what they call it, Timmy. So yeah, I got one of the few Timmy shirts. It's just the Ugly Supply logo and the little boy in there, and the font I mess with heavy. If y'all want to go support Jordan, I'll leave a link in the description. I mess with the clothing and I mess with Jordan really heavy. And yeah, it only took like less than a week to come to me, and it's actually like a really good quality shirt, and like it feels really nice and everything. So if you like the shirt, if you like Jordan, go support him. Buy some clothes. If y'all like some YouTubers, go support them. Buy their clothes. It's tough. So yeah, on with the video. Alright, so this is how the shirt fits. I really mess with it. It's really tough. Like, it fits nice. Kind of slimmer, but that might be just because my shoulders are broad. But yeah, I mess with it. And here's the hoodie. This is tough. I mess with this heavy. You're not alone. 17. It's no into the pain. You must be numb. Let me bring this up a little bit. There we go. pockets are really nice. It's like kind of. I don't know, it really feels good. And then the inside is like, it's only embedded on one side, so like the inside you can't feel the letters or numbers or anything like that. So it's only on the outside, which is kind of like the Revenge hoodie. But yeah, I talked to Steven for Revenge. Don't even try getting in Revenge Kill hoodie. They're all fake now. So sorry I haven't been making as many videos. School has been kicking my college classes, looking for college, SAT prep, school itself, track workouts, everything's just been taking up all of my time and it's crazy. I'm sorry about that, yo. I'm trying to get everything together so I can get an apartment, get a setup, get a real office, and I'll be able to upload more frequently. I need a real camera. This is a camcorder. I need a better mic. This is a blue snowball. I need to get everything on track, and I'm trying. I really am. It's gonna take a little bit though. I'm bringing up my money though, so that's good. So I'll see y'all in the next one. Remember, I didn't forget about y'all. My hair tutorial has done really good. It's got like almost 2,000 views now. And when I get 100 subs, I'm gonna do a special video for that. If you like the content and you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that like, make sure to subscribe, hit that bell so you know every time I post a new video. Make sure to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, all that stuff so you can keep in contact with me, know every time I'm about to post a new video. And I hope y'all enjoyed this, John. As always, leave a like, favorite, share, rate, whatever. Share it with everybody so the word gets out. And as always, see y'all in the next one. Peace out.
Well, when you love, call me when you can.